All right, looky there, guys. Nice brown. Look how marked up he is. Oh, that's pretty. Let's get him back in. All right, guys, got another little brown on. This one's a little guy. Boy, all spotted up too, like the last one. He's probably only about 6 or 7 inches. All right, we are out for a real quick fishing trip on the Blacksmith Fork River. Got my son Caleb, my son Andrew. It's gonna be super windy, sorry about that. So far we've caught 2. Well, to be more specific, I caught 2. Caleb and Andrew riding the old skunk train as of right now. Stay tuned for more. Missed him, guys. That big brown came out from under that tree, just like I thought. Oh, he followed it that time too. Let's see if we can get him. Well, guys, I kept fiddling around with that fish that was hanging out under the tree long enough that eventually I got snagged and lost a lure. So I'm gonna try and beat my way down through these trees to the water down there and see if we can catch something in this next hole. I just turned the camera off, guys, because I had been fishing for a while with nothing, and then boom. Brownie number 3. And he's nice. He's 12 inches for sure. All right, everybody, so we've just been working a few little holes on the Blacksmith Fork River. Andrew had a couple bites at our last stop, but didn't catch any. Caleb has caught 2 now, and I've got 4 so far. Were yours all browns?
Yeah, one was probably 5, and one was about, one was super small, 5.
Okay.
And one was probably 8 or 9.
All right, so 6 fish total. I think we only been fishing about 45 minutes, I mean, as far as actual fishing time, so not bad. We're gonna hit a couple more spots and we'll head back. All right, guys, we're hooked into another one. Oh, pretty cutthroat. Oh, I hardly ever catch cuts. Nice. Look at that, look at the slash on his jaw, guys. What a pretty cutthroat. Nice brown, just got underneath that tree. Oh, this might be the nicest one of the day. He's about the same size as the second one I caught, I think. Nice fish though. Oh, there he goes. Just got another one. Hey, good job. Andrew just got one. I'm gonna come up here and see his real quick. So I just released one and Andrew's got one. Is it a brown? Yeah, it's a brown. Andrew got his first fish of the day. Nice job. We got another nice brown on, guys. Trying to get him out of the current. Oh yeah, he's 14 inches, easy. Great fish. Kind of skinny. So look how big his head is and then how skinny his body is. That's one sign that they're overpopulated in here. In fact, there's signs along the Blacksmith Fork that ask anglers to take and harvest some of the browns. So, but he's really skinny, so I'm not going to keep him. We'll put him back in. So, but that's fish number 7 for the day. Fish number 8, guys. Just a little dinker, this one. Another little brown. It says 7 browns and 1 cut. Uh-oh, he's hooked in the... Oh, I thought he was hooked in the eye, but he's not. Good. There we go. See this little pool over there? That's what I've been fishing for a while now. Number 9, guys. I lost 2 more here.
I don't know why.
Well, Caleb might be the catfish master, but
Well, like, I understand that you're better than me, but I'm not. Drag right on the top of the water, maybe I can.
anything out of that hole, Andrew? Not yet. That was a good cast. I think you got to reel faster, bud. You get more, because when you're casting upstream like that and it's running with the current, you got to reel real fast or it won't get any action on it. It's a good cast there too. Okay, don't get mad when I come up on this next hole and catch one. Well, that's a wrap, everyone. It's starting to get dark. We're heading home. We ended up with 12 fish altogether. I caught 9, Caleb caught 2, Andrew caught 1. I caught that cutthroat, which is only the 2nd or 3rd cutthroat I've ever caught at a Blacksmith Fork, so that was cool. The minute on the mountain today is Psalm 118:1, which is, "This is the day that the Lord has made, let us rejoice and be glad in it." And I'm just super thankful I got to spend a couple hours with the boys. They don't like fishing quite as much as I do. They like it, but not as much as me, so I'm grateful that they took some time out and we got to hang out. And I'm glad none of us got skunked. We all put a fish on. So thanks for coming along, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you the next time we're out on the mountain.